The wolf howls tonight, heart torn apart, burning bright, seeking vengeance, bathed in moonlight. They took my love, plunged me into night. Whispers of betrayal, a poison dart, shattered the trust, ripped us apart. Now the wolf awakens, a predator's art, claws sharpened, ready to restart. The hunt begins, a chase in the dark. Their laughter echoes, a cruel remark, but the wolf remembers, leaving its mark. They call me the wolf, now they'll see the beast unleashed, wild and free. Revenge is a deserved cold, you see. The wolf's hunger, a symphony. Shadows conceal the wolf's cunning plan. No escape now from my vengeful hand. The fear fuels me across the land. Justice will be served, I demand. The tables have turned, they'll understand the pain they inflicted, now I command. They call me the wolf, now they'll see the beast unleashed, wild and free. Revenge is a deserved cold, you see. The wolf's hunger, a symphony. Hands heavy, a silent guide, as the wolf closes in, nowhere to hide. Their pleas for mercy I cast aside. The wolf's heart hardened inside. They call me the wolf, now they'll see the beast unleashed, wild and free. Revenge is a deserved cold, you see. The wolf's hunger, a symphony. The wolf's howl echoes a chilling sound. Justice delivered all around. Their reign of terror now unbound. The wolf stands victorious on sacred ground. Thank you. No God, what I know that like we're out all you feel like everyone you can have a will.